Good morning. Thank you for calling room service. This is Charles speaking. How may I help you?
Hi, I want to order some foods.
Certainly, ma'am. Do you have the menu with you? It is on the table next to your bed. Did you see it?
Yes.
May I have your name and room number, please?
My name is Jana and room number is 307.
Thank you for that information. Okay, Miss Jana of room 307, may I take your order?
I want American breakfast, scrambled egg, white toast with butter, porridge served with cold milk, orange juice, sausage, and hot tea.
Would you like top silog or hot silog?
No,
Is there anything else that you would like to order?
that would be all. Thank you.
Okay, Miss Jana, may I repeat your order? Your order for American breakfast, scrambled egg, white toast with butter, porridge served with cold milk, orange juice, sausage, and hot tea. Is that correct?
Yes, that's perfect.
Your order will be delivered within 15 to 20 minutes. Would you like us to deliver it right away or at a specific time?
Right away.
A total amount of your bill is 1,500 pesos. Are you paying in cash or charge it to your room?
Charge it to my room.
Is there anything else that I can help with you?
None.
Thank you for calling room service. Have a nice day. Service. I'm Charles, your room service attendant for the day. Is this the room of Miss Jana of room 307?
Yes.
May I come in?
Yes.
Would you like me to set up the table for you, ma'am?
No.
Would you like to open the curtain?
No.
How about the TV? Would you like to open it?
No.
Allow me to present you your order. You ordered an American breakfast with scrambled egg, sausage, white toast with butter, porridge served with cold milk, orange juice, hot tea. Is that correct?
Yes, it's perfect.
Anything else that can help you with?
None.
Can I get your signature for the receipt? Okay. I'll be back in 45 minutes to pick up the tray or leave it outside of the door whenever you're done. Thank you. Have a great day.